Hi guys, my name is Minhajuddin Ansari and you're watching the 44th tutorial on C programming, and today we will learn how to read characters from a file. So on my desktop I've created a text file minhaj.txt and it has the characters 0, 1 and 2. And now I want to read these characters from my file and store them inside my program variables. So for that purpose, I'm going to use the fscanf function. So first of all, since you are reading characters from your file, so change the mode to read mode. And now define three integer variables. And these integer variables will be storing the values which are extracted from the file. And first of all, I'm going to print the original values of the integer variables, A, B, and C. And now with the help of my fscanf function, I'm going to extract the characters from my file and I'm going to store them inside my integer variables A, B, and C. So write the fscanf function and write the pointer to your file and the format specifier, so %d, 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 because I'm extracting three characters from my file, and store them inside your integer variables A, B, and C. So this function is very similar to the scanf function. The only difference is that you have included a pointer to your file as an extra argument. So what the fscanf function will do is that it will extract characters from your file. Remember, the file stores data in the form of characters. So this 0, this 1, and this 2, they are characters. So the fscanf function will extract those characters and it will convert those characters into integers. Because in my format specifiers, I have specified that integers are going to be stored inside my integer variables A, B, and C. So the fscanf function will extract those characters and it will convert those characters into integers, and then it will store the integer values inside my integer variables A, B, and C. So let me write my printf statement again to print the final values of my integer variables A, B, and C. So now when I run the program, it's going to give me a small error. So simply just copy this CRT secure no warnings and go to your right click on your projects, click on properties, and simply paste it right here. So paste that line right here and click on OK and apply your settings and then click on OK again. So now what my file has is that my file has the characters 0, 1, and 2. So these characters will be converted into integers by the fscanf function and they will be stored inside the integer variables A, B, and C. So finally, the printf statement will print the values of the variables A, B, and C. So when I run the program, initially the values inside the variables A and B and C is 0, and after copying the characters from the file, the final values are 0, 1, and 2. So now you can also use arrays. If you have a lot of characters in your text file, for example, I'm going to add 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm going to add 10 characters into my file minhaj.txt. So in order to extract those characters, you can use arrays. So let me show you how that's done. Simply define your integer array, ARR, and its size is going to be 10 because you're going to be storing 10 values inside your array. And now, uh, simply use your for loop starting from I is equal to 0 and iterating up till the size of your array. And inside your for loop, write the fscanf function and the pointer to your file and the format specifier of the data which is going to be stored inside the character element, and finally the character element indicated by the index I. So this will store the fscanf function will convert each character into integer and store that integer inside your array. So in the end, I'm going to use my for loop to simply display the contents of my integer array. Printf %d and arr, the element at the index I. So now when I run the program, I'm going to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and display it in, okay, there is a slight issue right here. And let me just check that. And let me just wait. Let me stop the program right here. And oh, sorry. The fscanf function should contain the address of your elements, not the actual element. So now let me run this program again. So now this will display the contents of your file. The fscanf function will first copy the characters from your file into your integer array, and then the for loop at the end will display the contents of the integer array. So this is all it about reading characters from your files. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video.